Hello friends, welcome back to Commerce Byte channel. This we are going to learn how to learn how to create a group, single group, multiple group, and how to create unit of measure, stock items. All these things we are going to learn in this video. So now, first we have to know the difference between stock group, stock item, and stock category, unit of measure. All these things we have to know. So first we'll take a small example so that you can understand better stock group, stock item and stock category. If you observe here in this, he has given mobiles. So for example, a person is dealing with different one is mobile different mobiles, Samsung phones, LG phones, Apple phones, Techno phones. These are the different stock groups. In every phone, again there are different models. Galaxy S9, in LG phone different models, Apple phone, iPhone X, iPhone 4, iPhone 5, different categories will be this. These are this different stock items will be there. Again in Technophones also different stock items will be there. So these are the stock items and these are the stock groups. So what comes under stock category means double SIM and single SIM. So in this again there will be for example double SIM. In this only these three are double SIM. So under double SIM these three comes under double SIM. So from these what are double which are double SIM and which are single SIM. So for example, these two comes under double these two that comes under double SIM here. So iPhone means single SIM. It will come under single SIM. See here. So Galaxy double SIM. See here he has given. Sorry, he has given Galaxy S9 double SIM. This one single SIM. iPhone X single SIM, and this is double SIM. That means these first and last comes under double SIM category. Second and third comes under single SIM category. So now on this only we are dividing into some categories. So here mobiles on the base of brand grouped. In that brand again different models stock item, and here on the base of what we call single sim double sim, he is what we call he is bifurcating into stock category. I hope you understood the difference between stock item, stock group and stock category. Now we will see how to create. So stock category is not there in our syllabus. So just we'll create stock group and stock item. So now how to create them? So once we'll go to the Tally ERP9. So gateway of Tally, Capital Degree College. So now in this how to create stock group. Very simple. In accounting masters, accounts info, inventory info. Under that he see observe here stock group. So either we can create a single stock group or multiple. We can create either single or multiple. Once we'll go to the material. So here creation of single stock group. So now stock group. So go to gateway of Tally, inventory info, stock item. He has given the path. So this bring up the stock group menu. Select create under single stock group and press enter. So he is creating television. So here if you observe this diagram, so television one group, air conditioner one group, refrigerator one group. Under this again LG one subgroup. This is the main group under this subgroups. So these two are subgroups. Television is the main group. Under that Sony and Panasonic are the subgroups. If you observe here. So television primary group. So next see here similarly we can create subgroups. So under television, so Sony is the subgroup. Sony is the subgroup. Now we are going to do this thing. See here, very simple. Either we can create single or multiple. First I'm showing you the single, then we'll create multiple. So first I'm going to create television group. Under that I'm going to television group I'm going to create. First we'll see. So create. So television. So under primary. Fine. So now television group primary completed. Next under that, so now Sony is a subgroup and subgroup. So Sony is a subgroup. So you see here under television Sony was there. So now if we see, so what I've created we can see under display. See here Sony and television for television under primary, and Sony under television. So now under television we have created a subgroup called Sony. This is single group creation. Very simple. Single group creation. We have to go to create. So here we have to create. Already I have shown you. Display means it will show what we have created. Alter means we can alter. Here we can alter. If you want, you can alter. Example, television. You can alter. If you want, you can alter. So now next thing is how to create under multiple. Create. So first we will create this main groups will create, then we will create subgroups. So refrigerator and air conditioner I have to create. So select all items, refrigerator under primary. Should quantities of items be added? Not required as of now. Refrigerator. Next air conditioner. So this is primary completed. Control A, save. So now next thing is we have to create these subgroups. Under multiple only we are going to create. So create. So now all items select. Already I have created Sony. Now I am going to create Panasonic. Panasonic under the group television, right? Under the group television. Next after that, so LG and Samsung under refrigerator. LG and Samsung under refrigerator. Next Voltas and Blue Star under air conditioner. So now control it. So now we can check. So under multi-group we can display. So under air conditioner, these two we have created. Under air conditioner we have created these two. Under Blue Star, sorry, under air conditioner, Blue Star is we have. So now under LG, so this is LG, sorry. Under refrigerator we have created these two. So these are the stock groups we have created. If I select all items, we will get all the things. So this is total. If you want item wise air conditioner, you will get these two. If I want under television, I will get these two. If I want under the refrigerator, these two. So now this is about stock group and stock groups and subgroups. So how to create stock items? So stock items, see here. This is about total stock group creation. So now before stock item we have to create unit of measure. Why? Because so how you are measuring that stock item. For example, I'm selling rice. So rice means I have to measure in case of rice in kgs. For example, oil in liters. So I have to create unit of measure. After creating unit of measure, I can create stock item. So in this also simple compound 2 will be there. In stock item also unit of measure, also single unit of measure will be there, compound unit of measure. Single means the single piece, one piece. Sometimes what happen is in case of compound, single means here a unit of measure that consists of only single unit called simple. One second. Yeah. For example, meter, kilograms, inches, a single unit is called simple unit. Compound means here, for example, for 12 pieces, I am considering one. For example, if you see here, many units are usually a combination of 2 or more units. For example, dozen of 12 pieces or box of 10 numbers. So here example, if I am tell one means in that 12 pieces are there. For example, I am selling boxes. In one box there are 12 pieces. Example 12 banana. Example, I am keeping each banana in some boxes. Bananas in boxes. So 12 bananas, one box. That means if I am telling one box means that is it includes 12 pieces. Example, I am selling some items. In that box there are 10 numbers are there. So this is about compound. Here only single. Here one means consists of 12, not 10. This is called as compound unit of measure. Next, so how to create simple unit of measure, compound unit of measure. After that we have to create what we call stock items. So stock items, he has given example already. I told in television different so see here under television Sony, under television Sony is there. So Sony 32, Sony company in that 32, Sony 32 is the what we call the stock item. The TV, there is a Sony 32 inches, Sony 35 inches, sorry, Sony 60 inches. These all comes under stock items. So now any other thing? Yeah. So here, see here, Samsung 32 inches under television, Voltas 1.5 under air conditioner, Hitachi refrigerator, Samsung 1.5 ton under air conditioner, LG 1.5 condition 1.10 under air condition. So all this comes under stock items. So first we will create a unit of measure, then stock item. So we will see. So in this unit of measure, first I have to create example numbers for easy identification. Numbers. Yeah. Under numbers, first we will create stock item, single stock item, then we will create multiple. So as I told, Sony 32 inches. Sony 32 inches. So Sony 32 inches TV. So under already Sony was there subgroup, directly we can do subgroup. See here, if you observe here, so Sony is a subgroup. Under Sony, Sony comes under television only. Television subgroup Sony. Under that subgroup, Sony 32 inches is a stock item. So here unit of measure numbers. Yes. Now this is computer stock item. So we can see display. So Sony 32. This is stock item. How to create multiple stock items? Create very simple. Select all items. So Sony is Sony computer Samsung 32. Now Samsung 32 inches. Sorry, Samsung 32 inches under television numbers, right? Next, Voltas. Voltas 1.5 ton. Next, Hitachi. Refrigerator numbers. Samsung. Samsung 1.5 ton. Samsung 1.5 ton. Samsung 1.5 ton air condition. LG 5.5 ton. LG 1.5 ton under air conditioner. So now numbers. So now control is save. So this is about stock item and stock group creation. I hope you like the video. Thank you.